Okay, so you've got all these hair things, but they keep breaking at the join. You can repair them really easily with your nasty, nasty hot glue gun. I just want to show you real quick how to repair your broken hair bands. They get real loose right at the join, and then they start to fray, and what you do is you just cut a straight edge on both ends, and you take your hot glue gun and you put the hot glue on there on one side, and you stick on the other side pretty quick. Be quick about it. And you can just roll that on the counter. Takes off the excess. Give a little, once it cools down enough, you can touch it. But don't touch it before it's cool enough, because you will hurt yourself, and we don't want that to happen. So you cool it a little on the nice cool countertop. Okay, now it should be solid. Test it. If it doesn't work, do it again. So just cut it straight across. Sure, these things are like a dime a dozen, but sometimes you can't go out and you have like a little emergency. You need your hairband. Okay. Stick it together with your hot glue. Squish it. See, I waited a little bit before I got my hands in the glue. Okay. Emergency repair. Doesn't look so pretty. We're going to clean it up a little bit. And then when you can get to the store again, you can buy yourself some more. But let's let that dry all the way. Pull it. It's good. That's gonna work. Now tie up your hair. Do, do, do. Let go. It works. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you.